Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my top 5 contours of bronzers for dusky skin. So if you're anybody NC40 or above, this would be helpful. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting with the ones that is priced at lowest, and then it would move upwards. So I have 5 ones here. 2 of them are cream contours and the rest 3 are powder contour. So the first one that I have here is the Sugar. This is contour mini bronzer. This is the 02 Woody Wonder. That's the shade, and once you open the packaging, this is how it looks. You also do get a palette wherein you have the contour as well as the blush and the highlighter. So you can go for that one, the number 2, so that you can get this bronzer as well as the blush. However, I just got this one. It is pretty compact. I love the packaging. First of all, it has a magnetic closure, so you don't need to worry about the product breaking. Also, because it's packed so well, even if it drops, there's nothing that's going to happen to the pan inside, which is something that I really like and appreciate. Talking about the shade, it is a very beautiful and light brown shade. When it comes to dusky skin, so any contour can either look really ashy, or it could look reddish, orangish, or it could make you look muddy, or else it will not show up on your skin. So that's the problem. So you need to find out which contour or bronzer suits the most, and I have found these 5 to work best for me. So this is a very light brown shade. Actually, I'm not sure if it's going to show up. So if you can see, this is the shade. It's good for people NC40 to NC42. I wouldn't recommend for anybody above that. So this is good when you want a very natural finish, when you don't want your contour or bronzer to look really harsh. You want a very natural, very minimal look. This is the best pick. It is very smooth, very buttery. The formula is really good. It's not chalky. It's the perfect formulation, and it goes on smooth. It blends out very easily, so there's no problem with that. And the best part is you can also use it as an eyeshadow. This retails around 300 rupees. I will make sure that I put up the prices on the screen, and of course all of the products will be linked down in the description box below. So the next one is something that I absolutely love, and I've been using it for years now actually. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and this is in the shade this is in the shade Caramel Toffee. Okay, so this has it has a banana powder here, and it has the contour here, which you can see. I have hit pan on it, and you can hardly see the color anymore because I've hit pan on it, you can hardly see anything left. So this is a very perfect warm brown, but it doesn't have too warm undertones. It's somewhere in between neutral to warm undertone. So if you are somebody who has a neutral undertone, or else if you are somebody who has a neutral to warm undertone, this would be the best pick for you. Also, the Mega Glow Contouring Palette, Wet n Wild, this too doesn't have any shimmer particles. It is a matte bronzer, and you can definitely use it as an eyeshadow. It looks really good. So I'll show you the swatch of this. This is the color of the bronzer. Now the only downside to it is that it has a lot of kickback. Otherwise the product is absolutely great, blends beautifully, and it stays on till the end of the day. So that's really great. It's long lasting as well, and I do like this banana powder. However, I don't end up using it a lot. I mainly purchase this only to be using this part of it. So I highly recommend this to you. If you haven't tried this out, you should once, and I'm sure you will fall in love with it. I guess now this retails for around 500 rupees, but you'll always find it on sale, and it is always within 500. But for the amount of product that you're getting, it is completely worth it, and you can definitely go for it. Now the next one is again by Wet n Wild. So they did come up with their bronzer variants. So the other one was a contour palette. This is a bronzer that they launched in, I guess, around 5 shades, and the shade that I have here with me is What Shady Beaches. That is the shade that I have, and it's the perfect warm bronzer you would want. So it is shimmery for anybody wondering, but the shade is really good. And if you are going out on a vacation and you want, you know, your face to look naturally sun-kissed, then this is the bronzer you should be going for, because it gives a very natural sun-kissed look because of the shimmer particles. The shimmer particles aren't too glittery, however they are prominent. So if you are somebody who likes shimmer in their bronzers, this is the pick for you. I will show you the swatch here. Can you see the color? It isn't that shimmery as you might expect it to be. However, the shimmer particles do show up a little bit, so keep that in mind. But it still gives a very natural look. Now it is a really warm tone, so if you have warm undertones, then definitely go for this. If you have cool undertones, I wouldn't really suggest this to you. You go for other ones that I would suggest you, but this one I would suggest you to skip on this if you have a cool undertone. About the formulation is pretty good. It's as expected from Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild always has good formulations of their product, and it's very soft, it's very smooth, it's buttery, it's not chalky at all. And this one luckily does not have any kickback. So their previous palette, this one, it has a lot of kickback, and I think that, you know, wastes a lot of product, but they improvised on that, and this one is comparatively much better. But definitely if you're not somebody who is into, you know, shimmery bronzers, you can skip on this one. So the last two that I'm gonna talk about are cream contours. So if you're somebody who has dry skin, you should be going for cream contours, and you should try avoiding powder contours. So powder contour is something that's good for summers, or else if you have oily skin type, because it's powder, it's less likely to melt. If you have dry skin, then it's better that you go for a cream contour so that your skin looks dewy and it looks, you know, well moisturized. It's completely up to you, whichever you are comfortable with, but it's good for winters or for people with dry skin. So I tend to use both the cream as well as contour depending upon the season. So I have here, this is the LA Girl Pro Contour Cream Highlight and Contour. So again, this one also has two parts to it. So this one has this is a concealer, okay. However, I've never liked this concealer because it's too yellow for me. It's too warm for me. I have a neutral undertone, so that doesn't really work out for me. However, I love the contour part of it. So this is in the shade Medium Deep. This shade I found out to be the perfect shade for me because it's neither too reddish, it's not too muddy, it's not too ashy, it's just perfect. However, if you are a little you know, duskier than me, then you can go for the deep variant. They have another shade that is called Deep. You can go for that, and I'm sure it'll work out for you. So this does take a little while for it to be blended out properly, so you will have to go in about, say, 3 to 4 times to blend it out well. But once it is blended out, it looks completely natural, it looks beautiful, and it stays on throughout the day. So if you just put this on and go out, by the time you are back home, it'll still be there. So this is long lasting and this is worth the money. So this is how the contour looks once it's blended out. It's not something that you can wear on a daily basis because it's a little heavy for that, but if you are going out for any event or any function, then this is great because first of all, it lasts you long, and secondly, it is good for photographs. It does make your cheekbones look really sharp and well defined in photographs. Last one I have is from the high end. So it's the Huda Beauty Tantour, and this is something which is so beautiful. The formula is so beautiful. So it is a cream contour, however it settles into a more powder finish. So this is in the shade Medium. If you want a contour that is natural as well as will work out for events, then this is the one for you. You don't need to purchase 2 or 3 different, you know, contours. This one will work and this one will do the job. So if you use very little bit of it, will give you a very natural and beautiful finish. But if you go in 2 or 3 times with this contour, it'll give you much defined look, which is what you want to go for when you're going out for an event or function, right? So I'll show you this swatch. The formulation is absolutely beautiful. I know Huda products are a little expensive, but this formulation is worth it. So this is very creamy, very buttery, very smooth. When you take it on your hand, it looks a little darker than it's supposed to be. It's the shade medium, but once you blend it out, it's the perfect shade. It blends out so smooth and so easily. You just have not put any efforts. You don't need to even try to blend it more than once. One stroke and it's blended out. Like, you can see it for yourself. It's the perfect undertone. So this would suit anybody, even if you are a warm undertone person, even if you have cool undertones, even if you have neutral undertones, this is going to work for you. So this is the best contour formulation wise. The stay power, everything, it's just amazing. So if you want to invest in one contour and just have it forever, then this is the one that you should go for. So that is all for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below and let me know which one did you like or which one you're going to purchase, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.